Hi, welcome to the quiz. You can answer along on quizalto.com, all for free. The exact URL of this quiz will be in the notes down below. Let's get started. Good luck. What happens to your AWS Saving Plan if you close your account? The plan is sold to another customer. You are billed for remaining commitment. AWS waives the remaining cost. The plan transfers to a new account. If you close your AWS account, you are billed for the remaining commitment of your saving plan, as it's a contractual obligation. Which AWS saving plan offers discounts for Windows-based EC2 instances? None. Windows instances aren't eligible. Only Windows-specific plans. Any applicable plan. Only in specific regions. Any applicable saving plan can offer discounts for Windows-based EC2 instances, just as they do for Linux instances. Which AWS saving plan is best for workloads that may shift between regions? Lambda saving plans. EC2 instance saving plans. SageMaker saving plans. Compute saving plans. Compute saving plans are ideal for workloads that may shift between regions, as they apply across all AWS regions, providing maximum flexibility. What happens if your AWS usage exceeds your saving plan commitment? Your account is suspended. You pay on-demand rates for the excess. You receive a warning email. You are automatically upgraded to a higher plan. If your usage exceeds your saving plan commitment, you simply pay on-demand rates for the excess usage without any penalties or account actions. Which AWS service helps track saving plan utilization? AWS Cost Explorer. Amazon CloudWatch. AWS CloudTrail. AWS Systems Manager. AWS Cost Explorer provides detailed insights into your saving plan utilization, helping you track usage and make informed decisions. In AWS, what aligns saving plans with sustainability goals? Opting for dedicated hosts. Choosing high-efficiency instances. No direct alignment. Using in carbon-neutral regions. There's no direct alignment between saving plans and sustainability. However, using resources in AWS's carbon-neutral regions can support green goals. What is the primary focus of AWS compute saving plans? Maximizing EC2 instance discounts. Providing flexibility across compute services. Optimizing storage costs. Reducing database expenses. The primary focus of compute saving plans is to provide flexibility across AWS compute services, allowing savings on EC2, ECS, EKS, and Fargate. What is unique about networking costs in AWS saving plans? They are not discounted. They are fully covered. They vary by region. They use a separate plan. Networking costs, such as data transfer, are not discounted by AWS saving plans. They continue to be billed at standard on-demand rates. In AWS, which service helps visualize saving plan coverage gaps? AWS Service Catalog. AWS X-Ray, Amazon QuickSight, AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer helps visualize saving plan coverage gaps, showing where you might be paying on-demand rates and could benefit from additional commitments. How long is the shortest commitment period for AWS Saving Plans? 18 months. 6 months. 1 year. 2 years. AWS offers flexibility with commitment terms, allowing customers to choose between 1 year and 3-year saving plans. What is not a factor in AWS saving plan pricing? Payment option. Region. Data transfer costs. Instance family. AWS Saving Plans focus on compute usage. Other costs like data transfer are not factored into saving plan pricing and are billed separately. Which AWS service is not covered by compute saving plans? AWS Lambda, Amazon ECS, Amazon EKS, Amazon EC2. Compute saving plans provide discounts on EC2, ECS, EKS, and Fargate usage, but they do not cover serverless compute services like AWS Lambda. In AWS saving plans, what does tenancy refer to? Whether instances run on shared or dedicated hardware. The number of instances covered. The duration of the saving plan. The AWS region used. In the context of EC2 instance saving plans, tenancy refers to whether the instances run on shared hardware or single-tenant dedicated hardware. What tool does AWS provide to estimate saving plan break-even point? AWS Total Cost of Ownership Calculator. AWS Pricing Calculator. AWS Well-Architected Tool. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Cost Explorer offers features to estimate when your saving plan will break even, helping you understand the long-term cost benefits. What happens if AWS introduces a new service during your saving plan term? It's never added to current plans. You must upgrade to include it. It may be added to eligible services. Your plan automatically covers it. If AWS introduces a new service, it may be added to the list of compute saving plan eligible services, but this is at AWS's discretion. In AWS, what happens to saving plan discounts during maintenance events? You receive additional credits. Discounts are paused. Discounts still apply. You pay on-demand rates. Even during AWS maintenance events that might affect your resources, your saving plan discounts still apply to eligible replaced instances. What is not a valid strategy for unused AWS saving plan commitment? Allowing expiration. Selling to another AWS customer. Running additional workloads. Modifying instance types. You can't sell your unused saving plan commitment to another AWS customer. Instead, consider modifying workloads or running additional tasks to utilize it. Which AWS Saving Plan is most suitable for containerized applications? Compute Saving Plans. EC2 Instance Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. Compute saving plans are most suitable for containerized applications as they cover ECS and EKS services, providing flexibility for container deployments. What is a key advantage of AWS SageMaker saving plans? Flexibility to use any instance type. Coverage of all AWS ML services. Discounts on both training and inference. Applicability in any region. SageMaker saving plans uniquely offer discounts on both training and inference workloads within SageMaker, optimizing costs for the full ML lifecycle. Which AWS saving plan offers discounts on ML inference workloads? Lambda saving plans. Compute saving plans. EC2 instance saving plans. SageMaker saving plans. SageMaker saving plans are designed to provide discounts on machine learning workloads, including both training and inference on SageMaker instances. Which AWS cost management tool helps you choose the right saving plan? AWS Trusted Advisor. AWS Cost and Usage Report. AWS Cost Explorer. AWS Budgets. AWS Cost Explorer provides recommendations to help you choose the right saving plan based on your historical usage patterns and projected needs. In AWS, which cost management feature suggests when to modify saving plans? AWS Systems Manager. AWS Cost Explorer. Amazon CloudWatch. AWS Trusted Advisor. AWS Cost Explorer not only helps you choose saving plans but also suggests when to modify them based on changing usage patterns. Which AWS saving plan is most suitable for a startup with unpredictable growth? EC2 Instance Saving Plans. Lambda Saving Plans. Compute Saving Plans. SageMaker Saving Plans. For a startup with unpredictable growth, compute saving plans offer the most flexibility, allowing savings across various compute services as needs change. Which scenario is least suitable for AWS saving plans? Short-term project with fixed end date. Long-running web application. Consistent data processing tasks. Steady-state database workloads. A short-term project with a fixed end date is least suitable for AWS saving plans, as the 1- or 3-year commitments may extend beyond the project's life. What is the benefit of choosing no upfront payment for AWS saving plans? Faster resource provisioning. Lower initial cost. Higher overall discount. Ability to change plan type. The no upfront option for AWS saving plans allows you to start saving without any initial payment, making it easier to manage cash flow despite lower overall savings. And that's a wrap. Thanks to everyone who participated. Remember, you can answer along on quizalto.com, where you can keep track of your progress and find much more quizzes. We hope you had a fun and challenging time. Until next time. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more. Hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.